Our vision is simple: to move fashion commerce from static to dynamic. We are building the AI infrastructure for fashion commerce that curates full styling solutions for every single shopper. With Gensmo, we generate thousands of unique outfit visuals in minutes, not weeks. We replace those static landing pages with dynamic ones that actually match the ad the user clicked on. We can even allow you to validate styles with real audiences before you manufacture, reducing inventory risk. The result? 2 to 3 times higher click-through rates and a 25% drop in customer acquisition cost. Our AI acts as a digital stylist, transforming basic product thumbnails into dynamic themed collections. We never recommend an out-of-stock item. We prioritize your high-margin inventory. By selling the look rather than the item, we drive a 15% lift in average order value and a 30% increase in conversion rate. Our technology turns browsing signals into a one-on-one AI stylist that lives in your customer's pocket via SMS, WhatsApp, or email. It feels human, and it drives a 20% increase in repeat purchase rates. We know that for many of you, the physical store is still the heart of the brand. But we didn't stop at the website. Welcome to Genstyle. As shoppers stroll by, we display a lookalike model that mirrors their profile. This instant resonance grabs attention and drives higher store entry rates. Inside, Genstyle uses your store's live inventory to showcase outfits on similar models for a personalized view, but still respects customers' privacy. It inspires new discoveries and encourages bigger baskets. Even waiting for a fitting room becomes shopping time. Customers see more, shop more. Stores gain measurable lifts in engagement and sales. We are launching a pilot to equip store staff with Gensmo on their tablets. This allows them to offer personalized, AI-powered styling recommendations to customers right on the floor, using real-time store inventory. This elevates the service level instantly and empowers your team to close the sale. We are ready to build that future with you. We are here to ensure you don't just survive the shift, but that you lead it.